After inserting the boning, carefully trim it and the excess bias strip to the same length as the underbust casing. Drape the fabric over the dress form, starting with the center front. Align the straight grain of the fabric with the vertical centerline of the dress form. Pin the fabric securely along the center front from the waistline down to the hem. Ensure the fabric lies flat and smooth adjacent the form. Gently pull the fabric toward the sides, leaving enough space at the center front for the darts. Smooth the fabric over the hips and pin it along the side seams. Trim excess fabric to facilitate the draping process. If necessary, add additional pins to specific areas of the fabric to achieve a smooth and flat drape on the dress form. Pinch the excess fabric at the front where the darts will be located, typically near the bust or waistline. Shape the darts to follow the contour of the dress form, ensuring they are symmetrical. Pin the pinched fabric securely to determine the dart placement. Use a ball pen to mark the following lines directly onto the fabric: center line, side seams, hip line, waistline, dart placement. Carefully trim away the excess fabric along the marked style lines, leaving approximately 1 inch of fabric around all edges for seam allowances. By folding the side seam allowances inward, I can clearly visualize and transfer the STLYE lines onto the back skirt during the subsequent draping process. Trim the excess fabric along the waistline, ensuring you leave enough allowance for adjustments and corrections. Drape a piece of lightweight woven fabric over the back of the dress form. Align the fabric with the center back line and pin it securely along the center back, ensuring the grain line is straight. Smooth the fabric toward the sides, keeping it taut but not stretched, and pin it in place along the side seams. Add more pins along the center back line if needed to keep the fabric aligned and maintain the straight grain. Pinch the excess fabric on each side of the waist to form the darts, shaping them to follow the contour of the dress form. Pin the darts in place to secure the shape, ensuring they are symmetrical on both sides. Use ball pen to trace the following style lines directly onto the fabric: waistline, side seams, center back line, hip line, dart placement, plunging back neckline. Carefully trim away the excess fabric along the marked style lines, leaving approximately 1 inch of allowance for adjustments and corrections. This is the front and back basic skirt, which will serve as the foundation for drafting the trumpet skirt pattern of my client's dress. Check the link below for the next part of this video.